Hey, wow, I got the Indian FTR started. I got it on a little better battery tender. So she's up and going. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to put these FTR extenders, these for the rear view mirrors. These things are terrible. With my size of my body, I can't see behind me. So these are apparently extenders. So follow me along. So I put the FTR Indian 1200, which I've barely even ridden. Yeah, I rode it home and that's it. And as always, my shop is a constant challenge. The bench is totally destroyed as usual. Just too much crap. Anyway, these stories. But anyways, we're going to put the FTR 1200 mirror extenders and see how it looks. Oh, I wonder if Jesse James ever thought he'd see his tools on a YouTuber guy so many years ago. But anyway, 17 up here in this. You're going to have to bust this loose. It's reverse. You go the opposite way to tighten it and loosen it, if you know what I mean by that. So if you're anybody there watching my channel, you're going to do it the opposite way. All right, so this is reverse thread. This is regular thread right here. And you got a washer here. So looks like that other assembly just goes in place of this. Then it has an arm to put this out like an inch or two. It's a number 14 and number 17 for your metric. Just simple stuff. If you think about it, the FTR 1200 is going to go to the exterior, the front of the bike. So you want to mount this thing here. I wouldn't mount it like that. That'll be looking at you. I think it's supposed to be like that. There. All right, just simple stuff. Allen 8mm metric tools. See here, you just take it. You got options here on how you kind of want to set it out, but I'd probably have it closer in just so that you have a further out distance. Once again, for me, these mirrors are too narrow. I can't see behind me, so it's just really crazy on who's riding these bikes. And I'm not that big a guy. I mean, I'm not some 7 foot or 6'4" guy with huge shoulders. So you got me. Now this is interesting. This thing had a little flat washer on this setup here. See how there's a flat washer right here? Yeah, and I just put this thing on. It didn't really tighten down right. So I'm going to put this on. See it in a second. All right. Doesn't really show the instructions. You got to put that little washer on this. Otherwise, this thing does not lock down. So let's see how it starts to play out here. Oh, if you're following my channel, you know that I'm smoking out the barn. I'm getting the smoker going. Keep the birds out. But here we go. So what I did, I'm leaving the right mirror on. I just put the left one on. So look at this here. Here's the end of the handlebar. Over here, look at the difference. So let me get on the bike and let's see, with you riding with me, how much difference this is now for me. So for me, yeah, now I can see behind me. Before, when I'm on the bike and I get the mirrors lined up, I can't see past my shoulders. See, I'm on the bike. Look, when I have my hands out, I can't see. I mean, so I put a little blind spot mirror on, but you really just see how I'm seeing my body. Now look at this here. Here's my arm. Look at this here. Huge difference. So it's well worth the money spent. Where'd I get them? I don't know. Got them a few months ago. We are on now the right side. Same thing. Make sure that put a little plastic like washer on it. Otherwise, this thing doesn't grab. This thing ends up not tightening down correctly. So make sure you put this on. You have the little plastic washer. Get away, Keith. The dog just loves a ball in his mouth, and he wants to put in everything you own and trash everything you own. Hey, there's the smoker. Huh. Smoker, man. That thing's doing great. Whew. Tell you what, last night we're out here. I mean, this stuff will suffocate you. It's dangerous, man. So if you don't think the birds are getting this, they're getting it big time, man. I love it. There's my idea. Be out there, has bird problems, buy yourself a pellet smoker and smoke them out. Right, puppies? See, look at the Triumph. Triumph did a better thing here. I don't know why Indian didn't get creative and do the same thing and have these things down at the end like this, because they're just too close in. It's so bad. So I'm very happy I found these on the internet and to resolve the problem. I think I went to the Indy Motorcycles forum, and I think people talked about that. So it's, you know, that's how you do it, sharing information. And there it is. got a wider stance. Now you got to wonder, does this give us a little bit more vibration in the mirrors as you go down the road from that arm? I don't know. So wow, how many miles is this thing? I don't even know. Oh, that's pretty cool. I have barely ridden this bike. I don't even know the bike. Got tire pressure warning, cruise control. So I need to ride the bike, don't I? It's here. Oh, there it is. 40 miles. Look at all your other stuff. I wonder what this is. I don't know if this is right here. What is that? Probably your menu. That's my guess. Yeah, see that? Oh, stop it. Okay, here you go, our FTR 1200. MC Motor Parts. I think I got it off, I don't know, Amazon, eBay, who really knows. But anyways, hope this video helps you out on, I think it's well worth the money, not very expensive. And I think it's a great, it's just, I think it gives you better visibility for you to be able to look behind you. And that's a huge challenge on these really cool sport bikes. I need to ride it, just like everything else. I know, I hear you. Anyways, hey, thanks for watching my channel. Appreciate all the support. And look for my morning conversations that I do every day, Monday through Friday. I should say Monday through Friday, not every day. So stay tuned. Have a great evening. Hope this video helps you. God bless.